Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and I've had loads of emails about this, we're going to do a roast turkey. Now, this roast turkey is a very simple way we're going to do it. There's no stuffing in it, and there's also no brining. Some people brine it first. We're going to go straight ahead. So the first thing we're going to do is, once you get your turkey, is to take, there's usually a bag of innards, gizzards and things like that in there. Get that out. If you want, you can use that to make a gravy. There's also a neck part. And then what we're going to do is wash it, but I'm also going to cut off that little bit of extra fat of the neck there. There you go. Again, you could use that for some gravy stuff if you wanted. Right, we're going to give it a nice wash into some cold water. Try and give it a nice rinse out there. And then simply shake that off, get it on a board and pat it dry with some towel. As dry as you can. Try and get everywhere you like. Now what we're going to do is we're going to season this very simply with salt and pepper, and do not be shy with the salt and pepper. We want plenty of salt, plenty of pepper all over and inside. Okay, over to the cooker. Let's melt some butter and we're going to get some herbs in there. I'm using dried herbs and I'm going to be using some bay leaves, some thyme, some rosemary and some garlic. You could be, adjusting this how you want really. Just melt that, let it go for like 90 seconds and then this is done. So we've now need a baking tray, big enough obviously to take your bird. And I'm just going to put a few veggies on the bottom there. Celery, carrots and onions. We're going to sprinkle a little bit of olive oil on that. We're going to grab our bird and sit our turkey on top there. Okay, let's grab those bay leaves out of the butter and pop them inside. Then simply what we're going to do, get that herb butter poured on the top as much as we can, a little bit inside as well. Try and give a nice spread of it all over the bird as much as you can. Okay, the next thing we've got to do is hide those wings. You see those wings are sticking up there. If we roast like that, they're going to burn, blacken, and they look a bit unsightly. So what we're going to do is grab them and flip them underneath, just like this. There you go. So we've got it ready now. We're going to go to the oven. Okay, so we're looking at like 15 minutes per pound. Maybe 18 to 20 minutes if you've got stuffing inside. So we're going to go 350 F Fahrenheit or 175 C Celsius. Pop it in, work out your weight. No need to really touch it. Apart from at one point we're going to pull it out. This is like halfway through, and I'm going to just baste it again with some extra melted butter here, a little bit more of the herb butter. Now putting the butter on will only brown the skin. It won't actually moisten the meat, just so you know. Right, full time, there you go. She's looking absolutely beautiful. Lovely crispy skin, and it's going to be beautifully moist inside. Well, as moist as a turkey can be, because it can be quite dry. Let that rest for about 20 minutes and then you can start slicing her open. And there you go, perfectly cooked white meat. This is the breast, of course, which is the driest part of the turkey. I'm going to chop this up into parts so you can take a look. So here we go now. We've got the wings, huge wings obviously. We've got the legs, nice and juicy there. And then I've sliced all of the breast and all of the underparts, the darker meat. That is it. It is so easy. I hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you soon. Lots of love.